Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable one-handed mode on your HardReset.Info 3A Lite smartphone. First you have to open settings and then navigate down to the special features menu. Here select gestures and then select one-handed mode. If you enable it, you'll be able to pull down the top half of your screen in order to reach the top part of your screen easier. However, you're gonna have to get used to it, as it's not as easy as it seems. Okay, and right now you can easily access the items that were once at the top of your screen. And you can also decide whether you want to pull the screen into reach or show notifications instead. You can also enable or disable the shortcut for easier navigation. This way you will simply have to tap the shortcut if you want to reach the parts of your phone, the items on your phone that are at the top of your screen. And so that's basically how you enable or disable this mode. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.